These websites can save your hours of time and you have never heard of them. Number 1. Remove.bg. Remove image background in one click. Number 2. tinywow.com. Free tools for PDF, video writing and more. Number 3. tapmail.org. Get instant temporary email to avoid spam. Scripthow.com. It automatically creates step-by-step guides by recording your screen. Screen2gif.com. Record screen and export as GIF easily. futureme.org. Send yourself an email in the future. Photopia.com. Free Photoshop alternative online. Number 8. Namecheck.com. Check username availability on all platforms. Number 9. 10minutemail.com. Another quick temporary mail site. cleanpng.com. Download free transparent PNG images. Number 11. Loom.com. Record quick videos with screen and cam. pdfescan.com. Edit PDF files online for free. Download for everyone or just me.com. Check if a website is down or just for you. Pixabay.com. Royalty free images and videos. Number 15. Privenote.com. Send messages that self-destruct after reading. Otter.ai. Automatic voice to text transcription. Number 17. Dita.video. Create smooth animated UI motion videos. Huntplus.com. Beautiful stock photos and free to use. Number 19. tinyurl.com. Shorten long URLs easily. Quillbot.com. Paraphrase and read content instantly. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more.